Hey, happy Vlogmas day 8. I can't believe this is real. I actually made it to day 8. Maybe I can actually do this thing. Damn. For today's vlog, I'm gonna be taking this old space in my bedroom. I need to fix it and I need to put actual artwork up there. When I first moved into this apartment in New York, I had blank walls and I didn't really feel like putting things up yet. I didn't know what furniture was gonna go where or whatever. So I put up this temporary collage, even though it looks a little bit like a dorm room, just because I needed something on the walls and I was going crazy looking at blank walls. But I think now is the time, finally, a little after 3 months of being here in New York. That's what we're gonna do today. Look at all of these pieces that I took down. They're not even pieces, they're postcards, but that was a lot on the wall, damn. Look how blank it is. Oh my God. If you see here, there are a few little marks where the painter's tape took off some paint, which to me seems kind of counterintuitive. I feel like the painter's tape should be better for the wall, but obviously my landlord is pretty cheap and doesn't really care. Also, when I moved in, there were anchors and screws still in the wall, so like, do I care that much? Clearly they didn't put much effort into us wanting to move in. However, I don't want to be charged for this. So I will be taking little bits of white paint and fixing it up everywhere. It'll be super easy and it'll cover up like no big deal. But I don't feel like doing that part right now. I'm just gonna get started with putting the paintings up. I'm definitely putting this Matisse up and then also this Henry Evans up. I want to keep it minimal and I think they're kind of fun and they add color and whatnot.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go.
I'm a little nervous about which way I should go with this. I really want to lean to this direction. I don't know if this really follows rules of design. I feel like I should do a different setup, but it's my room and I don't care. So I'm gonna do it. Kind of quirky, right?
Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one.
Wow, that was actually a great technique. That's exactly where I wanted it.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago.
You know what? I quite like where those are. It's very minimalist, and I think I need more plants to bring in a certain ambiance in here. Now, my struggle situation is this wall because there are outlets there. Clearly, there's supposed to be a TV there, but I personally don't like TVs in bedrooms. That just looks weird, right? I don't like that. What else could I do? Could I put this calendar up? I kind of hate it with the calendar. It looks so weird there. What do I do? I have an idea. I think if I get a little hanging thing and can hang a pot right here, I think that would be great. So you know this plant that I have here in the corner? Well, maybe you don't, but I have a plant there on the ground on a cute little old ice cream churn thing that I turned into a little pot. I think I'm gonna put that on here and put it up on the wall. I think it'll be cute. I'm trying so hard to be gentle with this plant. This looks a little jank, but it'll have to do for now. Yeah, that looks a little whack, but it kind of works for now. No, it really doesn't. It looks like it's gonna fall. But I like this concept. I like this idea. Oh my God, wait, hold on, I think I made it work. Look, it's a lot more level now. Also, the blue little plate here matches the Matisse. That looks actually so good, oh my God. It still doesn't cover the outlet, but I think I just might get a longer macrame. Or should I lower this? Good morning, it's the next day. I'm currently editing this video and I realized that I don't have an outro. So consider this my outro. Sneak preview. It's right here. It looks really beautiful. Wow, I look like a mess. But enjoy some of this B-roll footage that I got this morning because apparently I didn't do any of it last night.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright.
Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this transformation. Clearly, I really had no concept of what I was gonna do first. I just knew I wanted to take the old stuff down and put new stuff up. But I'm so satisfied with the end result. When I was going to bed last night, I was just looking at this and admiring this in the background, and it felt so right in my heart. You know when you do something right for yourself design-wise and it just sits well? Or you're wearing the right outfit and it just feels correct. Feels like you, it feels good. That's exactly what this feels like. So I'm happy. Anyways, thanks for joining day 8, I think. a vlogmas? I really don't know. I'm losing count now. Bye.